Hello everybody and welcome to Fireworks Mania. This is a game that I've had for a while, but I've never actually shown everybody or anybody at all because it terrifies me. I'm gonna kill someone. There's a clip for later. Sneak peek, by the way. But I think we should just get right into the explosions. But before we get into this, please consider subscribing because it helps out so much. It helps me get my videos out to everyone and anyone, and let this channel not just be one guy. Let this be multiple guys. Thank you very much. So we're in. I'm sweating. I'm so scared. If there was a sound to describe how scared I am, this would be it. Anyway. So, let's get some fireworks. I like fireworks. Everybody probably likes fireworks. But we only really get to see fireworks once or twice a year. One in the 4th of July or whatever your country is that has Independence Day. And for the US Americans with their Grease and McDoubles, they have 4th of July. I like 4th of July. It's nice. But sometimes it can be a little much. For example, you set off fireworks and it doesn't go as planned. That's one example. And another example is that is always scary. What are you? What is that? This is just a marshmallow. What is this? A silo? Get that out of here. We don't care about food. Fire. Oh, no. Can I use it? I'm gonna kill someone. I'm not taking any chances. If I have to throw a chainsaw through a window... what? Okay. And if I have to throw a chainsaw into the sky, and if I have to blow up all the plants that exist on this farm, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna blow up everything. There's no stopping me. There is no stopping me. I just realized what I did, and I'm here to apologize. I have an idea. Put it on the faucet. I'm gonna wait until I think this is enough. If I die, tell God that this was on purpose. Okay, thank the Lord. Serious Sam. What does Serious Sam do? I don't know what Sam does. I don't know, whatever. But if I put Serious Sam there, have my fuse connection tool, line that up, and go, I think we might be good. This might be my last rocket.
You're never too young to have a Vietnam flashback.
No, 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 no! I think that's the end of the farm. I also think that's the end of this video. I really need to get out of here. I'm gonna be arrested.